important. My name is Dr. Sonia Bording-Aykroyd. I am a dentist. I'm the founder and owner of the American Academy and the International Laser Academy of Orofacial Harmony, and the owner of the Visage Wellness Institute in São Paulo, Brazil. Today, I have the honor to host Dr. Ayman Zaghal. He's an oral and craniofacial surgeon from Jerusalem, a researcher in the field of virtual surgical planning and 3D printing, and a key opinion leader for 3Shape and guided implantology in Palestine. Dr. Zaghal graduated from Misr University of Science and Technology in Egypt. He did his postgraduate residence in buccomaxillofacial surgery and his national board exam in the US, which he passed successfully. And his residency is from Nasser Institute on Research and Buccomaxillofacial Surgery in Cairo, Egypt. Dr. Zaghal was the first to present a new anatomical discovery at the International College of Maxillofacial Surgery in Palestine. He's board certified by both the Arabic and the Egyptian dental boards. Dr. Zaghal is a person of research and innovation in the field of virtual surgical planning and 3D printing. He's an icon of digital dentistry in Palestine with various publications in the field. Dr. Zaghal will talk today about a new approach for virtual planning and mandibular reconstruction, utilizing occipital crest as a native midline landmark, and will present his success story of his innovative technique. Before we start, let me say a word. This webinar will be streamed live here, and at the end, anyone watching can register via the link in the comments in the thread to get some CE credits. Please place your question in the chat, in the Facebook Live chat, and we'll try to answer as many questions as possible. Now, let's welcome Dr. Zaghal. And Dr. Zaghal, the floor is yours.
Good morning, Sonia. Good morning, everyone. Here's the Holy Land, Jerusalem. It's 5 p.m. after midday, so it's a good morning and a good afternoon. I don't know. I hope that you wake up with a beautiful day. So I'm here after a heavy day